Yo, okay, what is up? It's your boy Lives, AK MotoBroo. We're at the freaking gas station. I don't know the vibe. We got the boy Braap over here. Shee! No, that's not Braap. Braap's over there, dude. Bro, my bike is, it's like running weird today. Let's go, bro. I don't know what's going on, but bro, everyone's filling up right now. As y'all know, this is what's good, bro? It's good. Yeah, it's a sketchy situation, bro. I got no oil, so that's why I'm like, dude, I think my bike just turned off. I know, but I got no bottles or nothing, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna head back because my bike is, I don't know, it's not feeling too dialed. Huh?
Hold it for you. I can hold your baby bottle if you want.
I don't have a baby bottle.
Buy the bottle, we hold it for you. Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
I just don't know where there's gonna be oil.
There's an AutoZone up ahead.
Nah, yeah. I don't want to stop the whole pack though, just for me to get some oil and shit. Like,
Going back?
I'm probably gonna go back.
Okay, you gonna be back there or you leaving?
Nah, I'm gonna hang out at the lot.
I'm gonna ride for a little bit, I'm gonna come back.
Yeah, alright, bet.
I'll meet you over there.
Hey, y'all ride safe. Chilling at the gas station, bro. You know how it freaking goes. We're at the gas station. I'm being a puss, if you know what I'm saying. I wish I had my mixing bottle. I wish my bike was a little more dialed. Chain is loose as a balls right now. It's just not a good situation. What's good, bro?
Hey, I see you.
Bro.
Corners early?
Yeah, bro.
You're not gonna ride the street?
They just left.
I know, you're not gonna ride?
Nah, I don't have extra oil or nothing.
What do you need?
I need an oil bottle.
Two-stroke and shit?
Yeah.
Fucking buy some shit.
Nah, it's straight. I'm just gonna shred here for a bit and just vibe out. Yo, Braap.
Battery, nigga.
Can I ride this? Can I try it out? Let's go. About to test out Braap's new 450.
Oh yeah.
I might get this instead of
A
YZ.
little bit, but it's good. Go ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Motor like that. MotoBroo taking out the line.
You know the vibe, boy. Big old 450.
No more chicken, bro. Let's start.
Bro, this feels good.
Yeah, right?
It feels good.
That's the one.
God.
We're gonna go two-stroke?
No, I want YZ 450.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you got the KX now. So.
I don't know.
And you know what I like about it, bro? It's not too powerful. It's like perfect.
Yeah.
The Honda's way too powerful.
It's too torquey, right?
So much torque. I don't like the Honda. The Yamaha's a good bike. You're never gonna go wrong with Yamaha. But Kawasaki, they're first this year.
You got it?
This year, yeah. They're number one.
Yo,
Bro.
you got an iPhone charger in your car?
Yeah.
You can plug me up?
Yeah. Give me a sec. Hey, are you gonna put the shinkies on it, the street tires, or no?
Say again?
Are you gonna put the street tires?
No, this is a giveaway bike. So
Oh.
yeah, this is January's giveaway bike. So this, I just ride it here and there to keep it.
Yeah.
I bought it, ride it, create content with it, give it away to people on my list.
Well, Braap's giving away a KX450, so
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah.
damn.
January.
Let's go.
2022.
Hey, Rod, just hit a little work right there.
I'm trying to get this drop back, bro.
Bro, you got what is that big thing?
It's like a rig. It's like a metal rig.
Do you put like filters in there?
No.
No?
I mean, you probably could, but it's
Ah.
to get your phone and to mess up the GoPro.
Oh. Hey, I was going so hard, my Yeezy came off, bro. Yo, what the? I don't think
it's a quick release and it picks up first.
it's
second.
just the things with sport bikes is the throttle is different. You know, it's more like.
It picks up first, second, or third, everything. Go ahead, get a feel to it.
I'm gonna feel it. I don't think I'll do it though.
Go ahead. By all means. Brakes, everything is good on.
Hell no. Bro, I'm on a freaking 1000. Holy. Bro, it's the power and you're lean forward. It's just a whole different style of wheelie. It's hard. I can't do it.
I told you, see? Being on a dirt bike and being on a four wheel is so different, man.
Oh yeah, 100%. I feel like it's easier. A lot easier. Oh my god. How big's the battery?
Bro, I'm only running in 5 cells, bro. A little battery, bro. Just try, and a little computer. 5 cells. That's the 3 cells. There's a little one just put for balance, you see?
Oh.
Balance the car.
So this is like 20 minutes? 20 minutes of...
No, like 4 or 5 real, you know, passes. You know?
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, because there's a little battery, you know, they run the power real fast. You see the big engine.
Yeah.
But the next week, maybe I came, you know, with a whole full package, you know, my computer and my 2 batteries, you know, it's like
Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. We got bangers in the, or we got merch in the description down below. I love you gang. It's good, bro. Till next time. Peace. Peace. Say peace. Peace.